You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to paper trade. So obviously, everyone throughout their trading journey needs to go through a paper trading phase. Whether that's if you're just starting out in trading, you are going through, let's just say, ICT's course or TGR's course, whatever it may be. You are going to get to a certain point where you need to paper trade. You need to test your skills, and you need to understand the fundamentals when it comes to trading. So why might you want to trade or paper trade, I should say? Practice your skill, understand it, and obviously put it on paper. You want to be able to test your skills on paper without risking any kind of money. I usually recommend people finishing the course. Let's just say, for example, if you're finishing TGR's course, finish the course, hop on a paper trading for at least 3 to 5 months until you fully understand your concept and you can actually see some kind of profitability within your paper trading. So obviously with paper trading, you're not risking real money. You're just using, fake capital. Obviously, it's not real money. You're not risking any of your own money. There's zero harm to it. So paper trading is a great way to understand your fundamental skills, master your emotion, help master your emotions, play around with it. Let's just say even if you're live trading, you've been live trading for about 4 or 5 months and you want to backtest your strategy, let's just say on high impact news days or whatever it may be, paper trading is the way to go. I still to this day use paper trading on Fridays when I see that there's no news or anything like that. Then I always trade on paper on Fridays just so I could test my skills, be able to um, make tweaks in my strategy and all that kind of stuff. So the way you're gonna do this is obviously go to TradingView.com. If you don't use TradingView.com, I don't really know what else you would use. Maybe you could use Thinkorswim. I personally have never used Thinkorswim, but I've just found that TradingView works best for me. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go obviously log into your account, whatever you want to do. You're gonna go down, click trading panel right here. You're gonna see all these brokers over here, um, and you're gonna want to look on the top left where it says paper trading. Click that. You're gonna click connect. Boom. Now you're in. You are funded with you're funded with about $100,000 worth of paper trading. All right, so you're gonna click this right here so you can close that. I was just testing around this just so I can prepare myself for this video. But anyway, the way you're gonna want to do this is you're gonna click trade. So let's just say for example we are in this zone right here. Let's just say for example this is like a fair value gap. This is a 3 minute fair value gap. Okay, realistically, obviously it's not. Realistically, let's just say this is a fair value gap. We retrace back into this fair value gap and we want to continue higher. So my prediction is that we're going to continue bullish, I should say. We're going to continue bullish, and I want to take longs at this position right here. What you're going to do is you're going to click trade at the very bottom. And once you're logged in, you're going to click trade. And now you're going to have this panel pop up. It might be a little bit overwhelming when you see a bunch of buttons, bunch of numbers, and stuff like that. The only thing you're really going to want to be looking at is the units, the sell or the buy right at the top, take profit, and stop loss. So as simple as I could show it is we're going to take one contract for now. All right. So we're going to put a take profit and then put a stop loss. We're going to click buy at the very top. You want to make sure that if you're, let's just say, if you're taking longs, you want to make sure you're clicking buy. If you're taking sell orders, you want to make sure that you're clicking sell. Obviously, it's very obvious to see which one's which. Red for sell, blue for buy. Obviously, let's just say we want to take one contract. Boom. All right, we're in. And at this point, you might see this yellow, and at the very top, you're going to see this green line pop up. So the green line is going to be your take profit. The yellow line is going to be your stop loss. So what we want to do now is adjust your stop loss and your take profit. So we want to do this. Let's just say if I want to put my stop loss below these lows for a $6 risk, you're going to have this pop up. You're not really going to be looking at this. Personally, I'd never really mess with this or anything like that. You can if you wanted to, whatever. Click modify, boom, and now you're in. That's your stop loss for now. Now you're going to want to see your take profit. Let's just say, for example, I want to put my take profit above these highs right here. Boom, modify. Just like that, you are in a trade. And at this point, you don't really have to do anything besides watch your trade and make sure that it doesn't get disrespected within your confluence or gives you some kind of different rejection, whatever the way you trade. Now at this point, you just want to sit here and watch. So, and at this and this will just basically give you um, its own closing position. So the take profit, once it hits this green line, let's just say for example, we hit this green line. This position will close automatically. So it'll sell this for this one contract for that $4.50 profit. Okay, now let's just say for example, we continue lower, hitting this yellow line. That's going to be your stop loss. So obviously you're going to lose $6 on that. Simple as that. Really, that's it. Now let's just say if you want to, um, let's just say for example, you see some kind of, I don't know, let's just say you see some kind of bearish momentum and it's going to project to the downside. So let's just say we sweep these highs, boom, and then we break structure to the downside. We're going to continue lower. And at this point, you could close this trade manually if you really wanted to before you hit your stop loss. So let's just say, for example, we are come above, come down, break structure, retrace back into a fair value gap. And now at this point, you're considering closing the trade manually because we are going to continue bearish to hit your stop loss. At this point, you close it. The way you close it is going to be this red or this blue X right here, close position, boom. That's all you need, just like that. Now, let's just say, for example, if you trade, just like me, if you trade with multiple contracts and, more units than usual, the way you would do this, let's just say, for example, we want to take 4 units, okay? And I want to take buys, same confluence. We're going to be using this, retracement right here. Same confluence. We're looking bullish, all right? Excuse me. We're looking bullish. I want to, have multiple stop loss, take profits, I should say. So take profit one's going to be right here. Take profit two is going to be all the way up here. Take profit three is going to be right here. Stop loss below these lows right here. The way you want to do this, and instead of clicking take profit and having this box checked off, you're going to leave it unchecked. You're going to move over to stop loss right here. And then let's just say you're ready to take the buys. Boom, take the buys. All right, great. Now you will adjust your stop loss the way you want to do it. Boom, let's just say it's right there. And now what you're wanting to do is go back into this trade area right here. And let's just say, for example, the first each take profit, you're going to get rid of one contract. So you're going to go down, delete it, click one. Now you're going to go back to, you're going to get rid of this. You're going to close trade. Let's just say, for example, we're going to have our take profit one be all the way up at these highs right here. So what you're going to do is make sure that you want your cursor to be aligned with this, top point right here. And then you're going to right click on your mouse or 2-finger tap on your trackpad, right finger click, you're going to click trade. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click sell limit. All right. And then you can click enter. So this is going to be your take profit right here. So take profit one, and then let's just say if I want my take profit two, same exact thing. Trade, sell limit, enter. Take profit three, boom, sell. You're going to click trade, sell limit, enter. And now you have 3 perfect stop losses, or take profits, I should say, with a perfect stop loss. So super easy. It's really easy. Each stop loss or take profit, I should say, will close one position of your contracts, and all that kind of stuff. Obviously, same thing. Oops. Fuck, I don't know how to get rid of that. Okay. Basically, each of these red lines will close one of your positions when it's in profits, and then this one will close when you all 3 positions when you hit this line right here. And you could tell that you did this right is when, let's just say, if you have 3 contracts, you have 3 contracts stop loss right here, and then you have 1, 2, 3 with 3 lines with just one having in it. That's exactly how you do it. The exact same goes for now when you close that trade. Let's just say, for example, close it manually. Boom, you gotta get rid of them. Now let's just say, for example, if you want to take some shorts, pretty much the same process. You're gonna click trade. You're gonna go down to market. Let's just say if we want to take 3 contracts. Okay, stop loss, boom. I have 3 contracts. I want to have partials. Okay, no problem. leave take profit open. All right, click stop loss, sell. Perfect. Stop loss, I'm going to adjust it to having above these highs right here. Great. Now you're going to go back to this, the units area. Click one. Or let's just say, for example, take profit one, you want it to have 2 positions being knocked off. Okay, great. So now you're going to go back to, you're going to click trade to close that window. You're going to go back to this area. Let's just say if I want to have my stop loss or my take profit, which takes off 2 contracts at this low right here. Boom. Right finger click. You're going to click sell. Click sell stop right here. Boom. Click enter, just like that. And now let's just say if I want to have another stop loss that takes off 1 contract. Great. So you're going to click trade again. Make sure you go back here. Delete the 1, delete the 2, click 1, close this trade position. And now you are able to adjust it wherever you want for the second take profit. So let's just say, for example, if you wanted to take it right here at this low, click right finger click, click trade, sell, stop, boom, enter. That's it. You're done. So you know you did this right when you have an even amount of stop losses or take profits, I should say. I don't know why I keep on saying stop losses, but you're making sure that you have that. You have 3 stop losses. You have 2 take profits, and then obviously 1. So super easy, super simple. Obviously, when you hop onto a live account or a funded account, we might see this one actually close. Hopefully it does. So I'll give you a good example of it. Obviously, when you hop on a funded account or a live account, it's going to look at a little bit differently. You're going to have more things up here. Obviously, there's going to be more risk involved and all that kind of stuff. Hopefully, we actually come above these highs so I can give you a good example. Or this is what I'm going to do. Hopefully, we could retrace back up so we could see this this close above it. So obviously, let's say for example, we took the shorts right here. It doesn't go in our confluence, and we continue higher to hit our stop loss, and we're gonna see if it can. Okay, I'm gonna just lower it. So good example. Click trade again. Any day now. Boom, just like that. As you can see, that orange line and the original entry point, they're gone. So now you're just left with this. You could just close it manually. Boom, boom. That's it. Now you're done. I did also want to show you guys how it's going to look later on with when you hop onto live accounts and funded accounts. So I have this for you guys. Basically, it's going to be a little bit more. There's going to be a little bit more, I should say. What's the fucking word I'm looking for, dude? There's more words involved with it, if that makes sense. Makes no sense, but it makes sense. All right. So let's just say, for example, if you're taking shorts, if you want to take a screenshot of this, so you have this in the future when you do hop onto a live account or a funded account. Basically, shorts for your stop loss is going to be buy stops. So if you're taking shorts, you're going to have your stop loss called buy stops. Take profit is going to be called buy limit. Longs, basically just the opposite. Stop loss is going to be sell stops. Take profit is going to be sell limit. So that's basically it I have for you guys. All I really have for you guys. If you want a more in-depth video or have any questions on this, feel free to ask it in the comments of this video. If you want access to my Discord, which is completely for free, that is in the description of this video. I call out trades, I do one-on-one mentorship and all that good stuff. So if you want to be in that, that's completely for free. It is in the description. So I will see you guys. Peace.